All right, here we are. We're back on a Foxx Life Sciences podcast, and today we got a great one for you. You're going to love this video. That's right. We've got our EZBio assembly bottles. You're going to love these because guess what? We were the first to really standardize these bottle assemblies for the single-use market, for the biotech companies, the pharma companies. So these things are ideal for feeding and sampling off of bioreactors. And what we're gonna show you is that product line today. We got a fun video for you, but before we get started, let's start off with the panel. That's right, to my right, we got Insane Dwayne. Take it away.
Hello, everyone.
So Insane Dwayne is the product manager. He's done all the product development, ECN, all this great stuff. And we've got him on board today, and he is absolutely amazing. Down at the end, we got the one and only, first time on the podcast, who? The Rookie. That's right, Lindsay. Her name's The Rookie. Why? She was an intern. She loved Foxx Life Sciences so much, she said, I want a job. So guess what? As of today, she becomes our brand new, that's right, tell them what it is, Alice.
Bioprocess rep for the Mid-Atlantic
All right,
territory.
let's hear it for Lindsay, everybody. Wow, pretty awesome, brand new rep. And then here, the veteran. That's right, the one and only, the Italian, we call her, from Italy. That's right, with her master's degree in pharma. Almost 10 years.
I
at
know,
Foxx.
don't say that because now I am the veteran and it doesn't sound good, and 10 years start to be way too much.
Yeah, I got to tell you, pretty impressive overall. Alice came from that Lake Como, north of Milan, to the United States, got her master's degree in pharmaceutical manufacturing, and no question about it, it's been a great ride. You've helped us through this whole single-use process and becoming a big-time world leader in that space. Now we have 5 manufacturing plants all over the world, 2 here right north of Boston in New Hampshire, and then we have 3 plants now in India. And with all of those facilities, we have 8 Class 7 clean rooms, and we have been ISO 1345 medical device longer than any of our single-use competitors for now 15 years. Pretty amazing. 12 out of the last 15 years, each year over 40% growth, over 6,000 products, over 200,000 square feet. So it's been a fun ride. And part of that ride is with the product line we're going to show you today. That's right, the EZBio bottle assemblies. And it is a pretty awesome product line overall. So everybody knows single use, and you got all this custom stuff, and it's pretty crazy, no question about it. But we said, you know what? Let's come out with some standardized single use to make it easy for Pfizer, Novartis, BMS, all these companies that are doing things with bioreactors, right? Like we talked about, sampling, feeding, etc. So we decided to come up with a standardized single-use product line. We were the first. It's been a huge success, and pretty much everybody knows EZBio bottles. You can buy them on Fisher, VWR, Thomas. You can get them directly with Foxx and our direct sales team on the bioprocess side.
Here we are.
But overall, I mean, absolutely cool. So let's talk about this a little bit, and we'll start with the Rookie down at the end with the smallest bottle we've got.
All right, all right.
Well, hey,
Whoa.
Alice,
Yeah.
your customer wants to place a big
Whoa,
order.
whoa.
Oh, that's fantastic. But as you can see, we are in the middle
Guys,
of a
we're in a
podcast.
podcast.
I understand. But
we're-
will you mind to help me and take it over
All
for
right,
now?
Alice, we're in a
Please.
podcast. You got to let your...
Oh.
Whoa, did you
Oh,
break
did you
that?
break it,
Did you
Dad?
break that?
No, it's a rhino.
Whoa! It's a Rhino, guys. That's right. That's our newest, 3.3 borosilicate type 1 glass. And that is an amazing new product. We just did a podcast on it. If you haven't seen it, you're definitely going to want to watch that podcast. In fact, let's play the short video. Dan the man back in the control room. Let's turn it over to Dan, and we're going to show you really quick this new Rhino bottle before we finish this out because it is super awesome. Dan, you got it?
Lucas,
Whoa!
did you just drop the glass bottle? Did I break it?
No, it's a rhino.
This is our brand new 40-liter carboy.
Whoa! Whoa! Did you break that?
No, No, it's a rhino.
Whoa!
So, did you find any navrat for interface?
Absolutely. I even find the slacker.
Whoa, slacker. This is good.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
No, it's a rhino.
Hey, I don't know about you, but I just saw that. I felt like he knocked it over.
He
Wouldn't
100%
Yeah,
knocked it over. There's
just
no
because
way
it's
he
a
didn't
Fox
knock it
bottle, you can knock it
Totally
over. Come
not.
on, that's not right.
Doesn't matter. It's a rhino.
There you go, guys. That's our brand new, let's hear it for that brand new product line. Insane Dwayne was a big part of that. Mr. Rhino was a big part of that. And believe it or not, that is one great product line. And again, you can buy that through all of our distributors. We have two divisions. We have the laboratory division where we sell all of our standard products through distributors. And then we have our bioprocess division where we're direct globally working with pharmaceutical biotech companies with all these custom assemblies. We have the crossover products like we're going to show you now where they're a standardized product that we sell through distribution and direct. So you're able to buy those. So let's go back and jump over to the rookie, the one and only. That's right. Take it away.
Hello,
Let's go.
hello. We can start off with my personal favorite. This is a 60 milliliter bottle, so itsy bitsy, and it fits on our 38430 cap because we actually have an adapter. So that makes the small bottle fit on the standard cap. And then moving on over, we have our 125 milliliter bottle assembly.
Yeah, and then we have obviously our 250. All these bottles they actually come in polycarbonate or PETG plastic, so you can actually choose if you want to autoclave it or not. And PETG instead is your option that is BPA free. So fantastic option, and that allow you to actually cover most of your application. But then the most common, one of the two most common volumes are actually the 500 ml and the 1 liter. And this is our fantastic.
Well done, Alice, the Italiano. So how about Insane Dwayne? We keep going here, right?
So, yeah, we have the 1 liter bottle over here with a 38430 neck, and then you have the 2 liter over here. So if you see, it has a grip to hold the bottle. You can also, it also has a VersaCap. So if you open the cap, there is no twisting of tubing that you see. So it's one of the best part of that I like about this product. And then it also comes with a closed cap.
Yeah, so all of these come with a closed cap in the final packaging here, which is unique. So we have had competitors that have tried to copy us over the last several years, but still most of them still don't have what we have. So we have a solid cap. So after you're feeding or sampling, you can cap off this bottle. We have the Gamma sticker here, barcoded, made in the USA, which is a big plus. No worries about tariffs there, but we're also now making these in India, local for local. So everybody in APAC or in India, you don't have a tariff situation there because we're supplying it locally. And this is double bagged with, show them the easy tear on all these. And we do it with the centrifuge tubes also. We have the 15 ml and we have the 50 ml.
So this is the easy tear bag. So if I just open this, it's easy to tear. You don't need a scissor to open this, and boom, it's open.
And all of these are double bagged, ideal for clean room applications. All certified Class VI resins with full validation packages, leachables, extractables, everything you need, right, Alice? I mean, you've been doing this a long time.
Yeah.
And the pharma companies need all that paperwork.
Absolutely. And that, to be honest, the feedback received by our customer is that our validation packages are between the most comprehensive that they ever seen. And they make the life of the quality team of the end user way easier because they have everything in one spot and they can just validate it in a way faster way. So that comes and not just as a standard product, but also as a standard, very great validation package.
Unlike so many of our competitors who were tubing companies or distributors that wanted to get into single use the last several years, Foxx was actually established as a single use manufacturer all the way back in 2008. So we have the common joke internally, we were single use before it was cool. And that's the truth. We've been doing single use forever. And, you know, whether it's a standard product, a custom assembly, or what we have is our brand new MTO program. And it's not even really brand new anymore.
No.
It's like 3 or 4 years old, where you can, Alice, tell a little bit about our MTO program, make to order.
Yeah, so as far as standardization of single-use goes, Foxx had the idea of obviously the EZBio bottles, assemblies, and they cover most of all the application that the customer has. However, sometimes the customer has validated a different tubing that is not our Foxx TPE. And so we actually give you the option to choose between AdvantaFlex, Flexine, C-Flex, and we have different type of tubing as well. But not only that, also the plug at the end, as you can see here, can be easily exchanged with other connection, like a septic quick or lure lock or like a regular plug. So here are these options, and what is great is the lead time, right, Lindsay?
Oh my gosh, the lead time is fantastic. On our made-to-order program, they are a lead time of 4 to 6 weeks, which is just incredible.
Yeah, and they come once again double bag, gamma sterilized, with only that little weight, and then you have all your product.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
Are we able to do these assemblies on our glassware?
Hey, good question by the rookie. Let's hear it.
Yes. Here is the secret, guys. These are GL45 caps that we have for both plastic and glass. So these are the options. You can actually switch with a different type of adapter, the same way that Dwayne just showed you. So thank you, Dwayne. And you can actually make your switch and have this fantastic plastic glass bottle done.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Did you break that? Whoa, did you break that?
I'm not sure.
No, it's a rhino.
Whoa, it's a rhino. Let's hear it. That's right, guys. So let's kind of recap this. Pretty awesome. We have the standard line going from 60 ml all the way up to 2 liters, but we don't finish there. We actually keep going with the carboy line. We have the world's smallest carboy. That's right, 2.5 liter with an 83 top, going all the way up. 5 liter, 10 liter, 20 liter, 40 liter, 50 liter, 75 liter, which was the world record by Foxx Life Sciences. So we have the world record for the smallest carboy, 2.5 liters. Then we had the world record at 75 liters. Nobody else makes those 2 sizes in the world. And now what? We have what size?
Actually, the 50 liter.
No, 115 liter. That's right. We're talking about plastic. Wah, wah, wah. In glass, you are correct.
Yeah.
The 50 liter is the only one like it in the world with our 120 cap, which is absolutely amazing. But again, we do the assemblies all the way up to 150 liter and that 115 liter, and that holds 121 liters to the fill line at the top of that. So all of those can be done with assemblies. Our standard product ships in 24 hours. That's what makes Foxx very different than everyone else. That's double bag, sterile, manufacturing done. You place the call, we ship you the product. That's right, in 24 hours. Then we have the MTO we just talked about. We'll show you a video at the end kind of highlighting that. That is 4 to 6 weeks, and that is with whatever tubing, whatever connectors you want, and we'll show you that in the video. So Watson Marlowe, Eldon James, Saint-Gobain, Advantapure, our Foxx TPE, etc. So we've got all the different membranes or tubing. But then in addition, we're going to share this on a separate video. We're launching, that's right, our brand new titanium round with the GL45 cap assemblies, all standardized, with also the MTO program, with also the custom, and you can get Nova Seals and everything else with it. Absolutely amazing product. And why is that so cool with the GL45? We call this the cleanest bottle in the world. It is absolutely amazing. The validation package on this thing is incredible, and it goes from 125 all the way up. But guess what, guys? It's got the GL45 instead of the 38-430. And why is that important? Because we have a much bigger surface area. And nobody in the world has done another record. And you know Foxx Life Sciences is a leader in innovation. 4 ports. That's right. 4 ports on this GL45. And you can put that on a 125 bottle. So 4 ports on a 125 bottle. That's not just good for sampling and feeding bioreactors. That is the go-to product going forward with cell and gene therapy and a lot of these different things the biotechs are working on. So if you haven't, definitely hit that subscribe button. You're going to learn all about these products. We have over 6,000, and we can really help you out whether you're in the lab or you're in production. So lots and lots of cool stuff. And don't forget, we've also got the 15s and 50s, and we've got all kinds of custom configurations that we do with our other bottles with the same cap technology. So it gets pretty cool. I think at this point, you know, it would be great if Dan the Man, if you can go ahead and play our EZBio bottle assembly video we just launched, and we'll show you the bottles, but the MTO programs, how it works. It's just a click down menu, and you pick your size, you pick your material, and you pick your connector, and the next thing you know, boom, you've got your MTO, and you are out the door in 4 to 6 weeks, which is pretty awesome with whatever tubing that you want. So Dan the Man, are you ready in the back? Let's go ahead and do it. So this is our MTO program, the make to order that we just discussed. And here you can see you can add whatever type of connectors you want. And what's amazing on the new TR bottle, you're going to be able to put microbore connector, microbore tubing on 4 connectors on a 125 ml bottle, which is crazy. Here's the NovaSeal we talked about. This is the website. So again, just drop down menu, click on the material, click on the tubing, click on the connector. Each time the picture changes, the price changes, and the part number changes, and bam, you've got it, check out, and you're good to go, and you can get your product in 4 weeks exactly the way you want. If you're validated on Advanapure, no problem. Validated on Saint-Gobain, no problem. All made in USA. And guys, that's our MTO program. And, you know, I think, Alice, you can highlight. I mean, this has been a big success for us.
Yeah.
But we're talking about hundreds of configurations because we've done the MTO on the square bottles now. We've done the MTOs on the centrifuge.
Well, we also did it on the flask, guys.
Right.
I mean, now we are really expanding this concept and applying it to every container that we actually use. And obviously, flask, round bottle, square bottle, conicals, everything is now MTO accessible, including all our carboys.
Yeah, and now you know why we call them Insane Dwayne. All right, let's hear it.
Oh yeah, Dwayne.
All right, excellent job. I see you got the cowboy thing going again. So
Yes.
you gotta love Insane Dwayne. He's always got the cowboy hat walking around here.
Yeah, he has an image right now too that you wanted
know,
to defend.
What do you got? What do you? Hang out, guys. What do you got in there?
This is water.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
You sure it's water?
it's water.
I don't know about that.
What do you got?
Oh, obviously just water.
Of course.
You know
Okay.
that.
All right.
Come on.
I told you guys. I don't know about all these closed bottles. You can't see what's in it. But you guys got way too much energy. You guys are always.
Well, we just call Italian coffee, Tom. It's nothing to
Yeah,
do with
she
anything.
probably does have cappuccino in there for sure. So
I wish I already finished mine today.
yeah. So overall, guys, main takeaway is is if you're a biotech company, vaccine manufacturer, pharma company, you're going to want to get to know Foxx Life Sciences, right? I mean, these are amazing products. We've been doing it longer than everybody else. Again, the standard products we ship in 24 hours, pretty remarkable, sterile, double bag, ready to go, extra cap, square bottles, all the way up in all the different sizes. We got the new TR line that we're going to do a separate podcast on because this is such a cool line. You're going to love it. You've also got our conical centrifuge tube sampling with the NovaSeals also. That's a super awesome product line. That's now loaded on Fisher and other distributors. So best price on all of this, by the way, made in the USA. Made in the USA, guys. So no tariffs, local for local, and pretty remarkable, right?
Yes, and one thing that I would like to underline is also that we give you so many options as far as material goes, right? If you think about it, as I told you, the square, they are in polycarbonate and PETG. Our flask, they are actually coming in polycarbonate. But for our round bottle, you have the option not only of the PETG, but also the polystyrene that is still a very, is a BPA-free plastic, but also is vacuum resistant. So it opens up a lot of additional application.
Hey, you're stealing from our next video.
Oh, man, I just wanted to show like the option that
So absolutely awesome. Wait till you guys got to watch that podcast on the TR rounds.
I just got excited.
There's a lot of cool stuff about this bottle that's very unique than anything in the world out there right now. So absolutely super cool.
Yes, and I wanted to finish with our other square bottle. That we have other material, but I don't want to steal the thunder to other videos. So you guys stay tuned and come back to us.
So you're definitely going to want to subscribe. Lots of different, real unbelievable solutions for all of these different applications. And the rookie's excited. You're excited, right?
I'm excited.
And St. Dwayne's got even more stuff coming.
I'm more excited.
Yeah, he's excited. The veteran, the Italian.
I'm excited.
All right.
Customer will know everything about this.
Okay, so there you go, guys. Definitely, if you can, hit that like button. That would mean so much to this team to get this video out to everybody and help out other labs and other manufacturers all over the world with the Foxx Life Sciences solutions. And definitely hit the subscribe button. Slam that button because guess what? We're going to have instructional videos, application videos, podcast videos, product videos. We got all kinds of stuff. And if you haven't seen, definitely check out. We just finished our big open house. Over 300 people in India, 2 brand new manufacturing plants. We opened up 5 years ago there, and now we've added 2 more, including a huge multi-million-dollar state-of-the-art molding facility. That's right, Foxx is fully integrated from product development to plastic welding, plastic machining, plastic molding, blow molding, injection molding, all the way to the assembly we talked about, and logistics. We have one of the few bonded warehouses in India, so that is absolutely incredible. So we can help you with logistics. But now we've even opened up our 3rd division. That's right, 3rd division for CMO activity. So we can mold parts for you. We can do all kinds of stuff. And huge capability down there. And we've got state-of-the-art equipment with the Millicrons and the Arbergs and all of the different machines that we got. Beautiful clean room. You're going to want to check out those videos also. But overall, it really means a lot to us. Hit that subscribe button. And thank you so much for watching. Foxx Life Sciences!